Hi guys, I'm Sean Benedict City Atras from BSIT 1A. So today, i-share ko sa iyo kung nano ang dance and kung nano ang benefits ng dance. Let's go! So before ang tanan, mapapula ka na sa iyo pag-prepare. So katapos ko lang mag-duwan guys, and pumarigo. And sapatos, yung tas. So, we're all set. Let's go! Sorry na guys, on the way na sa studio guys or sa among training center. Yon. Ay, mimit ko akong sangkay. Kay, upod ko siya pag-shoot. So, before ang tanan, kaya ko lang mag-share a little background yung sa akon. As you know, I love dance talaga. And I've been taking dance sessions. Nasayaw na ako sa gawas, intermission la. And then, natin daklat mga dance workshops. Syempre di TikTok, of course. Yeah, anything na like dancing. Tapos, nagko-compete kami sa gawas. Yun, share ko lang. And, adi na, nakabot nang sa training center or dance studio. So, yun, flex la and set up my camera. And then, tara! So, dance is the rhythmic movement of the body. Usually the music used for expression, storytelling, or enjoyment. So basically dance for me is an expression. And dance is kung din nagawas ko dani akong emotion. Sometimes pagsadak, nasayaw ako, it's na. So dancing can also tell stories. Like pag nasayaw kit, kaya natin convey message. Depende sa kung na itong pinaghugutan or na itong pinaglalaban sa life, you know. So on dance, damo genre or styles like hip-hop, ballet, and salsa, and also folk dance nga from culture siya around the world. Okay, next. So next is kung ano ang benefits ng dance. So, dancing offers numerous benefits for both the body and mind. Physically, it improves fitness by enhancing strength, flexibility, and endurance. It also boosts posture and balance through continuous movement and coordination. And mentally, dancing reduces stress, lifts mood, and sharpens memory and focus. And additionally, it provides a powerful outlet for emotional expression and encourages social interaction, helping people connect and build relationships. Overall, dance is fun and creative way to stay healthy and happy. So guys, we're done. Palakpakan. I just wanna say thank you sa pag-watch sin na akong video. And unta, may dakam nakuha nga bisan guti lang nga knowledge about sa dance. Again, this is Sean Benedict City Atras saying stay healthy and peace out!